Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Got a Proton VPN subscription but not sure where to start? Or maybe you are curious about how easy it is to set up and use? Today I am guiding you step by step through using Proton VPN on your devices, plus exploring its key features. Let's dive in. To kick things off, you will need a Proton VPN subscription. I recommend grabbing a plan via protonvpn.com. Check for discount codes to save some cash. There is also a free version, but it is limited in features and bandwidth, so it is best for testing. For daily use, upgrade to a paid plan. First, let's install the app. Log into your Proton VPN account on their website, hit the Downloads tab, and pick your device. I'm using Windows, but I will cover other devices too. For Windows, download the installer, double click to run it, and follow the on-screen steps. It is quick and you will be ready to log in. On Mac, iOS, or Android, it's even simpler. Just grab the app from the App Store or Google Play. The interface looks the same across all devices. So, this tutorial applies whether you are on a phone, tablet, or computer. Once installed, log in with your Proton VPN credentials and you are set to explore. Right away, I love the sleek modern interface. There is an interactive map in the center, however, over a country, and you can connect with one click. On the left, there is country list to pick a server manually. Scroll or use the search bar to find one fast. Want the easiest option? Hit the quick connect button at the top. It picks the closest server for the best speeds. Once connected, your internet traffic is encrypted, keeping your browsing private from your ISP websites and data trackers. It is that simple, and it works the same on iOS, Android, or Mac. Now let's check out the key features for daily use. First up, the kill switch. It is must for security. If your VPN connection drops, it blocks all network traffic. To protect your IP, click the icon above the search bar to turn it on. I use the softer version, but the permanent kill switch is great for max privacy. It stops internet access unless you are connected to the VPN. Try but to see what fits your needs. Next, my favorite, NetShield Ad Blocker. It blocks malicious ads, trackers, and even malware for a smoother, safer browsing experience. Click the shield icon near the kill switch, then choose to block malware or both trackers and ads. I recommend the full option for the best protection. This is a game changer for clean, fast browsing, and it is super easy to toggle on. For extra security, there is Secure Core. It routes your connection to multiple servers in privacy-friendly countries like Switzerland or Canada, making it harder for anyone like governments to track you. It is ideal for restricted regions like China or just boosting privacy anywhere. Click the lock icon and cite the button to enable it. Pick your routing countries, but heads up, it can slow your connection to use it when security trumps speed. Love streaming? The VPN accelerator feature is a lifesaver. If you are watching a show on distant servers, say Japan from the US, buffering can ruin the vibe. This feature stabilizes and speeds up long distance connections. Go to the top left menu, click settings, head to the connection tab and toggle on VPN accelerator. It is simple fix for smoother streaming and highly recommended. Lastly, for torrenting fans, Proton VPN offers port forwarding. It lets you set up ports in your torrenting software for faster, secure P2P file sharing. In the app, go to settings, then the advanced tab and enable port forwarding. Look for servers with a double arrow icon that support it. Not all VPNs offers this, so it is a big win if you are into P2P. That's the basics of using Proton VPN. Download the app, connect or pick a server and toggle on features like Kill Switch, NetShield or Secure Core to customize your experience. It's user-friendly, packed with tools and keeps you secure. Check protonvpn.com for plans and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe online, Fox.